Did you know that your stomach gets a brand new lining every few days to stop it from digesting itself? Or that you are actually taller in the morning than at night? Stick around, because in this video, I'm sharing 10 amazing facts about the human body you probably never knew. Let's dive in, and if you love discovering how your body works, hit that subscribe button and join our learning family. This is Olivia Academy, your global hub for clear and engaging biology and health education. We turn complex science into easy, visual lessons so students, teachers, and curious minds everywhere can understand how life works and how to stay healthy. Subscribe now and turn on the notification button to keep your mind sharp and your body healthy, one video at a time. Today, we'll be looking at 10 amazing facts about the human body you never knew. Make sure you watch till the end, because each fact is more surprising than the last one, and I'll be sharing them one after the other. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Fact number 1. You have more bacteria than human cells. Did you know that right now, you are carrying more bacteria in your human body than your own human cells? That's right. For every one human cell, scientists say that there are about 1.3 bacterial cells living inside you, mostly in your gut. That is, one human cell to 1.3 bacterial cells. But don't worry, most of these tiny creatures are good bacteria. They help you digest food, protect you from infections, and even boost your immune system. So next time you think about bacteria, remember, you can't live without them. Fact number 2. Your heart beats over 100 times a day. Your heart is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It beats over 100 times every single day to keep you alive. That is more than 35 million beats a year. Your heart pumps blood through about 60,000 miles of blood vessels, enough to circle the earth more than twice. Isn't that amazing? So next time you feel your heartbeat, just take a moment to appreciate the incredible work it is doing day and night. So let's move to fact number 3. Did you know you are actually taller in the morning than at night? When you sleep, your spine relaxes and stretches out because there is no gravity pressing down on it. But as you go about your day, sitting, walking, standing, gravity gently compresses your spine, making you a little shorter by bedtime. On average, most people lose about 1 to 2 cm in height every day. So, if you want to measure yourself, do it in the morning. That is when you are at your tallest. Did you know that your eyes blink about 20 times every single day? That's like giving your eyes tiny naps all day long. Your eyes are one of the busiest parts of your body. Each blink spreads tears evenly across your eyes to keep them moist and free from dust. So even when you don't notice it, your eyes are constantly working to protect your vision. Fact number 5. Your DNA could stretch to the sun and back over 300 times. Your DNA is so long, it's almost unbelievable, right? If you took all the DNA from every cell in your body, uncoiled it, and line it up end to the end, it could stretch from the earth to the sun and back over 300 times. That is how tightly packed your genetic information is. Every tiny cell in your body carries your entire DNA code, the complete instruction manual that makes you. Fact number 6. Did you know you were born with about 300 bones in your body? But as you grow older, many of these bones fuse together to form the 206 bones adults have. That's why babies are so soft and flexible. Their bones have not fully joined yet. This natural process helps your body grow stronger and more stable as you age. Amazing, right? Yeah. From tiny baby bones to a fully structured skeleton. That's biology in action. Fact number 7. Your brain is like a living power station. It produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb, about 20 watts of energy. That electricity comes from billions of tiny nerve cells called neurons, constantly sending messages to one another. Every thought, memory, and movement you make is powered by those tiny electrical signals in your brain. So yes, your mind really lights up when you are thinking. Alright, let's move to fact number 8. Your blood makes up about 8% of your total body weight. The average adult has about 5 liters of blood flowing through their body. That's almost 3 big bottles of water. This amazing fluid carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and even helps your body fight infections. Your heart, blood, and blood vessels work together to form the circulatory system, the body's delivery network that never stops working. Okay? We proceed. Fact number 9. Your skin is always changing. Every single minute, you shed around 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells, and you don't even notice it. Over a time, your skin completely renews itself every 28 to 30 days. That means the skin you have now will be totally replaced by new skin in just about a month. So, when you think about personal hygiene, remember, your skin is always doing part of the clinic for you. And finally, fact number 10. Your ears and nose never stop growing. That's because they are immensely mode of cartilage, which continues to grow slowly throughout life. So, if you have ever noticed older people with slightly bigger ears or nose, now you know why. Wow, the human body is truly amazing. Which of these 10 facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Olive Academy for more fun and educational biology and health videos every week. Until next time, keep learning and stay healthy. Bye.